Hey everybody, I know it's been a while since I posted a video, and I actually have two coming up in a row. One is going to be about the first part of a lesson, and then the second half will be the second part of a lesson. And it was from a special session at iTutorGroup, and the special session classes are basically 45, it could be 10-minute, 45-minute, or even 25-minute sessions, but what happens is the teacher is lecturing the whole time and you cannot hear the students, but they can communicate with you in the chat box. And I noticed in this video that I'm not really looking at the camera very much at all, and I always tell people when I do trainings, like, look at the camera, and now I have some feedback for myself. But this class particularly, I don't even know if it's how I typically teach, but in terms of looking at the camera, because I was using a lot of props, because as you can see in the title of the video, I'm talking about Realia. So the first half of this lesson, you're going to see me do some background knowledge, providing them with vocabulary, having a conversation about cooking, pancakes, and then in the second half, I'll be showing you guys what I did to show them how to cook pancakes. I don't know why I'm getting stumbling on my words there. But anyway, the second half is actually cooking pancakes, just making the ingredients. I didn't actually fry them because of course I'm teaching them in my home office, which does not have a griddle or a stove to cook the pancakes, but I just made the batter. So it was a fun, exciting class, and it was a good way to show how to use Realia. And you can use Realia anytime. If you guys don't know what Realia is, it's just using an actual prop that describes the vocabulary word. So if I'm talking about a cup or a mug, I can show them the actual cup or the actual mug. Or if I'm talking about tea, I'm going to drink tea and this is my tea right here. It could be anything. If I'm talking about a pencil, I can show a pencil. So that's what Realia is. So without further ado, let's get started. Are you guys ready to make some pancakes with me? We're gonna have a lot of fun. Okay, so you might see I have a chair here, but it is for the pancakes so that I can grab what I need. Okay, here we go. How to improve your English with cooking pancakes. Who here has eaten pancakes before? Have you had pancakes? Do you know what they are? Never. Oh, you're gonna love this lesson then. If only you could be here with me to taste the pancakes. Do you like to cook?
Do any of you like to cook?
I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I don't really like to cook too much. I don't like it, but I do it because I need to eat. All right, well, I do enjoy cooking breakfast. I think it is my favorite meal of the day. Do you know some key phrases for cooking? For example, what's in the recipe? What ingredients do we need? You don't know how to make pancakes either, huh? Well, you're gonna learn today. It's gonna be fun. Yes, eggs, salt, exactly. We need egg or eggs, salt, milk. You might, now in this recipe you don't have to boil, but maybe in other, in other recipes, sometimes you have to boil. So flour, I see, exactly. You guys, I
don't have milk. What am I gonna do?
I need milk. Okay. Flour, be careful, you guys. Be careful because Flower, this is a plant. Okay, flour The other kind for cooking, it's like this. Okay, this is our flour, Flour.
Find a cow. Okay, where's the cow? Where's the cow? I don't live on a farm.
I can't just go, hey, give me my milk. All right, so I've never cooked in my office before, you guys. So this is going to be interesting. So let's go over our vocabulary. Pancake. This is a thin, flat cake of batter fried on both sides in a pan. So as you can see in the picture here, these are pancakes. But a lot of you said that you have never eaten them. So I wish I could serve you today. I really do. I really, really wish that you were right here with me and I could make you some pancakes. Wouldn't that be amazing? All right, flip. Flip is to turn over or cause to turn over with a sudden, quick movement. So you take what we call a spatula, you go under the pancake and then you grab the pancake with the spatula and you go choo.
Flip it.
Ingredients. Any of the foods or substances that are combined to make a particular dish. So,
We know we're going to need some ingredients. I have sugar. Look at this beautiful sugar.
okay, and salt. We're going to need a little salt. This is sea salt, which tastes the best in my opinion. We're going to need some eggs. Look at this little carton. Isn't it cute? Oh.
Uh-oh, one of the eggs is cracked.
And then we need some flour. It means fast fried food, teacher. No, this is not fast food. No, because we're making it at home. When you go to McDonald's, KFC, that is fast food. A lot of times fast food is fried, you're right. But when you fry food at home, it's not the same as fast food. Frying pan. A pan with a long handle used for cooking in hot fat or oil. Guess what, you guys? Here's our frying pan. This is used to cook and it gets very hot. And also, it's recommended, instead of having the pan handle, okay, the handle, it should not be like in front of you. Try to put the handle to the left or to the right, because then when you're walking past the stove, you don't go, oh, I just made the pan fly off the stove.
You don't go, oh, I just made the pan fly off the stove.
You don't want that to happen. Okay, measure. Ascertain the size or amount by using an instrument. So this is a measuring cup, and I will probably need a cup of flour. We will see. But what do I do to mix all of the ingredients, you guys? Do you know what it's called? What is this? This is where I'm going to put my ingredients and I'm going to stir them. What is this? It's not a pot. It's not a pot. Okay, a pot would have a handle. There's no handle. This is a bowl. Okay? And then with recipes like pancakes, you're going to need this. You're going to need this for whisking, for stirring it. You whisk. It's not an iron bowl, it's a metal bowl, though. You're right, it is. It's a metal bowl.
We're going to have a little conversation. So I can be the friend, you can be Barry. Let's read together this conversation.
Let's read this conversation. So, Barry is talking to a friend. What are you cooking tonight? That sounds delicious. All right, thank you for reading. So what's the difference between savory and sweet? Does anybody know? What is savory? Do we spell this differently in American English? Yeah, I think that's British English. So, S-A-V-O-R-Y for American English. Savory. Savory is something that's more like, I think of meat and potatoes as savory. It's a little bit more heavy, sweet than sweet. Let's see, so it's a good taste. It's spicy, salty, not sweet. Okay? Sweet is sweet. Okay, sweet is sugary. It has a lot of sugar. It would be candy, chocolate. So savory pancakes, at least like in America, we typically don't have savory pancakes. They're usually always sweet because we have them with this. What is this? Do you guys know? It is syrup. Yes, that is correct, syrup. Okay, the syrup is sweet. So that's what makes our pancakes always sweet. I've never had savory pancakes. Now, the French eat something similar to pancakes. The French eat crepes. This is the French version of pancakes, and crepes do come savory or sweet. You can have savory or sweet crepes. Can you use honey instead of syrup? I've never seen anybody use honey on their pancakes. Could you if you like it? Sure, why not? If it's something that you like, of course you can do it. But it's not something I see people do, at least not in America, not where I live. Okay, let's continue the conversation. How do you make them? I'm about to show you. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the first half of this video about Realia. The next half, we're going to see how I used the ingredients and actually made some pancake batter. And it was a great way to continue the lesson with Realia. And see you in the next video!